Krabs, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're not sorry. Get it!
Yo, Mr. Krabs, calm down, dude. It's not a big deal.